How to use Wrike for project management. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can use Wrike for your project management. So simply come on to Wrike.com. After that, click on Start for free in the top right, or put your business email over here. And once you guys do that, that's gonna take you guys over to another page. So I'm gonna simply put in my business email over here. I'll click on Start for free. Now that's gonna take me over to their sign up page. So when I go over to the sign up page, now they're gonna send me an email to verify. So I'm gonna verify my account, and I'll be back in 1 second. So once you have signed up, this is how their dashboard is gonna look like. So over here you guys will have all your tasks and everything, and then over here you guys can of course work in real time across your entire organization, and you guys can of course always be prepared for what's next by simply taking a look at the reports, and you guys can also take advantage of their industry leading security as well. And the best thing about Wrike is that you guys can integrate Wrike with some of the biggest softwares out there, such as MailChimp, SAP, Slack. You guys can even use Dropbox, Microsoft Teams as well. So you guys can of course use Wrike to its full potential. So guys, that is why I would recommend that you guys definitely sign up for Wrike and use it. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.